To access the indicator, need to register. Log in with your username and password to access your profile. Search Risk Re indicator in Utilities. If you have already created an account, you can enter your username and password. In the Login section, you can access your account to view your profile. From the Market tab in Metatrader, we search for the indicator named Risk Re. By selecting the Login option, you can access your account, where you can view your profile. From the Market tab, in Metatrader, we search for the indicator named Risk Re in the Utilities section. In this section, you can select the indicator and see descriptions about it. Total, kiloliter ratio measurement and analysis. Select the indicator. To see additional information and download the file, use Open Metatrader to access Metatrader. By selecting an indicator in this section, you can view additional explanations about the indicator and see how the indicator works and functions. In this section, you can download the indicator file for the Metatrader 4 platform, and by selecting the Open Metatrader option, you can access your Metatrader. From the Market section, we select the indicator file, and by dragging the file onto the chart and clicking the Confirm button, we execute the indicator on the chart.